a nearby alleyway. Oh, you idiot! Ah, you fool! The bomb was too far away and it wasn't enough to take out the apartments. Oh, you can't even do the simplest jobs, can you? Oh, too slow, idiot. Ah, idiot!
Get your ass down to the phones for more missions.
Get back in the car. Great! Now, pick up the boss wife. What are you playing at? Pick up the instructor. What are you playing at? Take them to the hotel. What the hell? You killed her!
Get back to the phones for some more missions.
Ah, you killed him! Oh well, no great loss at all. Here's your money.
Ouch.
Head towards the payphone for another assignment.
Oh, you idiots! One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, well, that's just great. He tripped the alarm. Ah, you idiots! You let the scumball die!
Hey, head back to the phones for more missions.
Ah, you're useless, you know that. Now, climb to our helipad. Land on the damn helipad, you imbecile! Ah, you blew up the helicopter. How are you going to escape now?
Get back to the phones for some more missions.
Even though you failed to kidnap the Rivals brothers earlier, we managed to get someone else to do the job instead. They've now given in to our ransom demands, and we've chosen you to make the exchange. Beef stashed his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. And don't fail us again. Ah, you stupid fool! Ah, you idiot! The crime of brother was in there. How are we supposed to get our money now? Oh.
Get out.
Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions.
Ouch.
Get back in the car. Now, head to the meeting point. Get back to the meeting point. Oh, that's just great. They're never going to make a trade now, idiot.
Head towards the payphone for another assignment.
Oh, you let them get away, which means you don't get the extra dosh.
Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions.
Oh, you English are useless. Watch out! They're onto you! Ah, you useless jerk! What on earth am I supposed to do now? There he is! Wipe him out! I can't believe it! You let him escape! What the hell am I supposed to do now? If I survive, I'm gonna kill you myself.
Go to the payphones for more missions.
Ah, you complete idiot! Ha! There he is! Wipe him out! What are you doing? Get back in the car! Now, take it to Penny's garage. Hey! You just destroyed the car! Oh well, that was pretty dumb. Nah, can't you do anything right? Ah, you're too slow.